Hey folks, this is Tom Mormon. I am Chief Scientist for Ducks Unlimited. I often get asked what makes the best waterfowl habitat. So what does make the best waterfowl habitat for attracting birds, not only to conserve them and help them be healthy through the course of migration in winter, but also maybe to enjoy a few good hunts? The key things to know about waterfowl, especially the puddle ducks, is depth really matters. You want to build your wetland or create your wetland or manage your water levels so that they're never more than 18 inches deep if you can. Ideally, about 12 inches of water. All the dabbling ducks can forage in 12 inches of water. So depth is probably the #1 factor to consider as you contemplate managing to attract birds to your duck hole. Other things, what about foods? Foods range from natural foods, and you can manage for those. We call that technique moist soil management. We also often get the question, what can I plant for ducks? Think about what ducks need, especially during migration in winter. They're focused on acquiring carbohydrates. That's the seeds, right? And whether it's the natural seeds or the grains, the corn, the rice grains, those kinds of things. So if you have an impoundment, a waterfowl management unit, a duck hole that you can actually get equipment in and plant a crop in, what we often recommend, and this comes out of Mississippi State, they call it weedy corn or grassy corn. Now what the heck does that mean? Well, you want to come into that wetland and plant corn, but do so to spread the row width out more than you would traditionally if you were just planting corn as a crop, right? So maybe spread the row planting width out to 24 or 36 inches. Well, that lets sunlight hit the ground. The corn grows, you get a nice stand of corn, but under that corn, you get those same moist soil plants. You tend to get millet, panic grass. So you get this really great mix of food. And man, those kind of duck holes are game on most of the time. And then manage your hunting pressure. If you can, have a rest area near your duck hole. That will greatly improve your duck hunting because birds will stay in the area and you won't overpressure them, drive them out, and hurt your duck hunting. Those are the key things that you really got to remember. Get out there and get her done.